HedgeFund's latest and greatest. Today we are talking, of course, the pre-sale that is now live, and I do not want you guys to miss out. So we're going to talk about that, some other details, and much more. Welcome back, Moneybags Rico. Let's go ahead and get started on this pre-sale. But first, let's get to this Twitter page. Make sure you give them a follow at HedgeFund_DeFi. So like that, you guys do not miss out. Also, make sure that the bell notification is lit. Like that, if you guys are interested in this, you guys will not miss out on any updates. And also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. If you rock with me, you guys know that this one's solid. I am on the team as the CMO. We'll be helping out with the marketing. This one will grow. We got some good things planned, and we also want to hear the voices of the community as we continue to grow, because HedgeFund is pretty unique. We're going to go through this introduction. Also, those who are asking me in the TG, how is it that you participate in this private sale, or pre-sale, I should say. So far we're at 1.42 ETH. I know that this is going to grow. It started at a UTC time, so it was kind of in a weird time frame for the American public. But all you got to do is connect your wallet up on the top right. After you connect your wallet, you simply would just go ahead and buy the specified amount that you would like. Of course, we'll get the cliche out the way, not financial advice, but like I said, if you rock with me, you guys know what's up. I'm on the team on this one. You guys check out the website. I'm on the bottom of the page, and this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we got the introduction. We'll go through this really quick, and then we'll also talk a little bit more about what HedgeFund is bringing to the table. All right, so we got the ultimate multi-chain reward token volume generator with passive income built into the token. Each holder of HedgeFund is rewarded with 10% of all buys and sells with USDC. Now, I spoke about this before, but I see there's a lot of new subscribers to the channel, and I want to let them know what's going on. Appreciate you guys hitting the subscribe button. I also noticed that a lot of people are hitting the bell notification, because that percentage of how many people are subscribed to me compared to how many have the bell notification has been going up. So I really appreciate you guys rocking with me. Now this right here, getting reflective tokens in USDC. This is going to protect you from the volatility in the market. It's always going to be volatile in the market. This is also going to remove the selling pressure that most tokens have when they're getting a lot of reflective tokens. Somebody's holding a really big bag. It will seem like no amount of buys will push the price back up, because those with really big bags get to essentially, and it's their right to, sell those reflective tokens that they have got. But this right here gives you an opportunity to not only not fight against selling pressure, also, fight against volatility, but also gives you that opportunity that when the prices are just right, whether you want to or not, either invest in hedge fund or just want to hold on to USDC till you see something else that's a lot better, you have that opportunity to go ahead and position yourself, because that's what hedge fund is really all about. Okay, so we got hedge fund launches on different chains, which generates increased volume to existing projects, as portion of the pre-sale are used to buy existing hedge fund projects and various crypto related investments to reward our holders. So we are creating an ecosystem of different investments that will generate continuous returns to our investors. So that's when I was talking about, that we have some things lined up. Another thing that I want to talk about as this pre-sale continues to fill, there are some things that I have lined up right away. It's already locked in. Me and the CEO already had the talks. This is something that's going to happen, that I'm telling you, right after the launch, the volume is going to pick up. But we want to have those who see what's going on with this project, those who believe in the project, those who are rocking with me on the channel, to get in first. So, the degens just don't come in and dump on us after the pre-sale. That's not what we want. That's not what I want, because a lot of these people are going to be subscribers of mine. So best believe that it's not going to be something that right after the launch, we got to wait around. Right after the launch, we will shift gears. I'm telling you, giving you my word, that I have something right up my sleeve that's going to kick up the volume right after this. But it's going to have some degens coming in. And I want to make sure that our floor are those who rock with me on the channel, those who can see what hedge fund is about and seen it on Twitter and want to participate in something like this. So that is something that's right around the corner. We have that 1.42 in ETH so far. The soft cap is, I believe, 6 ETH, and the hard cap is 12 ETH. Okay. So right now we're moving and grooving. Another detail that I want to talk about, that if we reach the hard cap sooner than this time frame, then the token will launch, and GemPad themselves would add the liquidity. So either we reach the soft cap and we wait for the timer to run out, or if we reach the hard cap before the timer, then it will launch instantaneously, and GemPad will be in charge of distributing all the tokens. So it's not in the hands of the CEO, or we got to wait around, or anything funny whatsoever. It's going to be done automatically. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, for those who are sticking around to this part of the video, leave some bullish comments down below. If you rock with me, smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. But let's go into a little bit more about hedge fund and what we're actually doing. We talked about these 10% rewards in USDC a little bit over there, but this is something that's a little bit different from other tokens, right? We got at HedgeFund, we believe in the decentralized finance, DeFi. That decentralized finance is the future of investing. My bad. That's why we invest in other DeFi projects, yield profits, and deliver frequent buybacks of hedge fund. This supercharges the hedge fund rewards and ensures that our investors are always at the forefront of innovation. With our focus on DeFi, hedge fund is poised to take advantage of the tremendous growth potential in this emerging market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, hedge fund is the perfect way to get it going on the ground floor on DeFi revolution. All right. So that's what happens when you speak Spanish just about 5 minutes ago, and then you switch right back to English. But nevertheless, what we're talking about right there is essentially that we're going to be having more than just a hedge fund, right? We got hedge fund on Avax, but we're also going to be looking for ideas from the community right within us that we can position ourselves to make sure that we're always involved in this emerging market, no matter what. If it's a different project, we're not keeping you back from wanting to invest in any other projects. And that's one reason that you're getting USDC rewards. You can choose whether to double down on your bag with hedge fund, or you can just find another project that you want to invest more in. And we're not stopping anybody from doing that, because our number one goal is to make sure that people can create some passive income and that we're a part of that help in making that dream come true. So I want you guys to help me get this video out there. Go ahead and give them a follow. Like I said, come over here, smash the likes, retweet everything going on. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys come over to my Twitter, give me a follow at Rico Moneybags, and come over here and tap in with these tweets. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.